In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI music generator. Now, to use AI music generator, now click on AI music generator here. Here inside the AI music generator, you can see music. Now, I'm going to show you every detail about each feature in order for you to be the best user of this application or to be a master of this application. Now, here is Explore. Here in Explore, you can see music generated by people and how many views it gets. Also, you can find new music generated by people using this AI. You see it. You see it. Now let's try one. Wait for it to load. You can hear it. This is no step by FS generated by AI. As you can see, the song is playing. You see it. Here you can also download it by clicking on it and then click on the downloading icon. And also you can, but in order to download it, you must pay for the premium version or you must subscribe. You see, to unlock this feature. Now you can also use this prompt by clicking on the prompt like this. By clicking on the prompt, this will take you to the create section, which is great. Now you can use it by clicking on this create. You see the create icon, and also you can also add some styles to it in order to generate, add it more styles. And also you can, but in order to create it, you must subscribe for the pro version. You see the pro packages. You see it. Also, to remove this, you click on this cancel icon on the top side here to remove it. Then also click on this cancel icon also here, this cancel icon here. Click on it to remove it. Now you can also find your library by clicking on this library icon, this library. Click on it. Here inside your library, you see it. You can also share this to your friends. You see it. But in order to share it, you must subscribe for the pro version. Now also you can find your profile by clicking this mine here. You see it. Also you can invite your friends by clicking this share, and also you can ask them to use your profile code, which this. You see it. Here is where the AI music is stored. You see it. You click OK. You see it by clicking this save location. Also, by clicking this pencil icon, you can instantly go back to create, where you can generate AI music. You see it. Also, you can click in this instrumentation in order for the AI to generate only songs without voice. You see it. Now, also you can find the premium version by the premium subscription by clicking this diamond icon here. You see it. That's another way to find the premium version. That's how to use this app. If you found this video helpful, consider like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tips like this. And also, if you are visiting for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon. to never miss out on my new update. Thank you for watching and peace. See you on the next video.